This is how to tie and untie a constrictor hitch easily. I'm going to start out by taking my rope, passing it around whatever it is I'm attaching to, or the structure. Then I'm going to take my rope, cross over the top of that first wrap, bring my rope around. When I get to here, I'm going to give myself a bite of rope. Take that bite of rope, I'm going to pass it underneath the leg to the right that's facing me. And then I'm going to take that bite and pass it underneath the leg on the right away from me. When I get to here, I'll just pull that bite and pull my standing rope, pull it tight. And as you can see, I can put all kinds of tension on it and it holds. And then when I need to release it, all I do is grab the leg of rope that's connected to that bite and pull it, and it releases. So that's an easy way to tie a constrictor hitch and untie.